Hello students, today we will start our new unit 14, statistics. It is very interesting chapter. In 11th class we have a statistics subject in commerce stream. Today we will learn about first we will learn about basic terms related to statistics. First of all, class limit. Suppose a marks obtained by all the student is divided into class interval of 25 to 35, 35 to 45 and so on intervals. So the class interval 25 to 35 is class interval. 25 is called lower class limit and 35 is called upper class limit. And the difference of both class limit, upper and lower limit, is called class size. We can call it as class length also. Class mark is given as means mid value is given as upper limit plus lower limit upon 2 means 25 plus 35 upon 2. 25 plus 35 is 60. 60 by 2 is 30. These are the basic terms related to statistics. Now we will learn group data and ungrouped data. Next is group data and ungrouped data. The data which is obtained in original form is called raw data or ungrouped data, which we have to first arrange and do so on operation. Put them data in considered form and make a suitable size group. Mention the frequency of each group. Such a table is called group data. Sometimes we get a raw data and we have to convert it into group data. First is mean for ungrouped data. Let's consider with an observation having a data x1, x2, x3 as a xn. The mean of observation is sum of value of observation upon total number of observation. We can write as mean. The symbol of mean is x bar. We can say the sum of observation is sigma xi upon x. Or first we have a direct method. Here we have a three method to find the mean. First is direct method, second is assumed method, third is step deviation method. We have to remember the formula of all the three methods to find the mean. First method is very simple method, direct method. Formula is sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Second is assumed method. Formula is mean is a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi, where a is assumed mean. And third is step deviation method. Step deviation method is a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h, means the difference between assumed mean and step deviation is of only h, where u is xi minus a upon h and fi is the frequency corresponding to class mark xi. I will solve one method with one sum. Question number 1. A survey was conducted by a group of students as part of environment awareness program. They have collected the following data: number of plants in 20 houses in locality. Find the mean of the plant per house. Number of plants are 0 to 2 and number of houses are 1. In same way, 2 to 4 plants houses are 2, means 4 to 5 plants means that house is only single house. 6 to 8 is 5 houses. 8 to 10 is 6 houses. 10 to 12 is 2 houses and 12 to 14 is 3 houses. We have to find the mean. We will use first direct method. First of all, we have to make a table with 4 columns. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. In first column are the number of plants. In second column we have a class mark and number of families and fi xi. First of all, we have to use class mark. Here we will use first method, direct method. This is first xi is the mid value. We can write as the class mark also. 0 by 2 means first we have to add 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 divided by 1 is 1. In same way 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 plus sorry, 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11. In same way, 11 plus, sorry, 12 plus 14 is 26. 26 divided by 2 is 30. And these are the number of houses which we have given in question. First of all, in this we have to find the FIXI, means we have to multiply this. 1 into 1 is, we get result equals to 1. In same way, 3 is multiplied with 2, we get result equals to 6. 5 is multiplied with 1, we will get result equals to 5. 7 is multiplied with 5, we will get result equals to 35. And 7 is multiplied with 6, we will get result equals to 54. 11 is multiplied with 2, we will get result equals to 22. 13 is multiplied with 3, we will get result equals to 39. Now we have to add this all the numbers. We will get result equals to 20. This is sigma fi, and we have to add this all numbers. We will get result equals to 162. Now we have a formula of mean is sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. This is 162 divided by 22 is 8.1 plants. Means the mean of data is 8.1. Since the value of xi fi are very small, so we can use direct method. Here the question number 2. Consider the following distribution of data of 50 workers of factory. Daily wages is 100 to 120 are 12 workers. 120 to 140 are 14 workers. 140 to 160 are only 8 workers. 160 to 180 are 6 workers. 180 to 200 are 10 workers. Here we have to find the mean of daily wages of the workers of a factory using appropriate method. We have 3 methods. We can use any of the method. Here I am using step deviation method because data is large. Here I have to make 5 column first. In first column is class interval, second column is frequency, third column is mid value, fourth column is UI, and we have to multiply Fi and UI, means frequency is multiplied with UI, and we will get last column Fi UI. First class interval is same that we know, and Fi frequency is given, that's total is 50. First of all, we have to find the mid value, means 100 plus 120 is 230. 230 is divided by 2 is 110. In same way, we will get the 130, 150, 170 and 190. Means we have to divide this class interval. First, we have to add this class interval and divided it by 2. 180 plus 200 is 380. 380 divided by 2 is 190. Now, here we have a 5 classes. This is 1 class, second class, third, fourth and fifth. Means I am using here a, take a value a here as 150 and putting value 0 here. On above side we have to put -1, -2 and -3, so on downward side I have to put value 1, 2, 3, 4. Means here I have only 2 values below 0, so I will put 1 and 2. Now I have to multiply this Fi and Ui. 12 into -2 is -24. 14 into -1 is -14. 8 into 0 is 0. 6 into 1 is 6. 10 into 20 is 10 into 2 is 20. By adding this whole term, I will get here minus 36 plus 26. I will get result equals to -12. By using mean equals to formula, I have a plus h into sigma fi ui upon sigma fi. Here we know that a is equals to 150 and h is the difference between two terms, means it's class length. We can say it as h. We will get h value equals to 20, and sum of fi ui is -12. -12 by 50. Then we get 150 upon 240 by 50. So we will get result equals to, by solving this calculation, 726 by 5, I will get result equals to 145.20. So the mean of worker is 145.20. You have to solve this question in notebook. In this video I have completed 2 methods. First is direct method and second is assumed method. We will solve few sums in next video. Thank you students.